camera, EPL chains, clean out. Whoops, that's the wrong one. I'm gonna take that one off. There you go. This is, there's no issues. It's just maintenance. Make sure there's no root intrusions and whatnot. So, I'm sure there will be roots. Can't tell you for certain, so let's look together. It's gonna drive me crazy. Okay. Look at that little guy. A little sewer fly. Got a lot of scale. I am going to need a hose. Just cleans the lens off of the camera a little bit. Okay, we're in clay. Look at that. It's kind of interesting. Looks like 6-inch, doesn't it? This sewer is going to be extremely deep because this clean out is in the back of the house. The house is kind of on a hill. So this sewer's got to be ultra deep. So we're 30 feet. This sewer is nice and clean. This is a very clean looking sewer. This is getting really hard to push. Can't push it any further. As far as it's gonna go. Yeah. As far as it'll go. What if they have another clean out in the front? Because need to find, I know there's sewer access in here. There's got to be another clean out up front here. Because that was 63 feet. I guarantee you there's going to be some roots. Maybe not. What is this? Ask the owner. So they're going to get me access to that because there may be above ground like a combi on its back or something where I can just get a straight shot, because it's those two Ys that make it hard to push. If I get a straight shot to the city, then it won't be a problem. But that clay looked like the best conditioned clay I've ever seen in a sewer. Alright, so unfortunately, there it is. That's the sewer right there, and there's no clean out. It's just I think it's a single toilet. I think it's a one bathroom in this house. But yeah. It's all Galvy. The whole building is Galvy. There's no copper. It's crazy. So we're just going to take the K60 and send her down with the blade. Because if I can't get the camera to go that far, past 63 feet, the chains certainly aren't going to go any further. So, all right, I thought about putting the cutter on, but the cutter, I can never get it to go past turns. It's really annoying. But that big old, I'm gonna try to get that to go down. We're gonna put the retriever, because that thing is just as good at grabbing onto roots and stuff as the cutter. So it's 75 feet in. We're gonna go about 130 or so. All right, we're let's see, what's 50 minus, or 150 minus 15? That's 135. Yeah, so we're 135 feet in. I measured from the street, just roughly, it's about 130 feet to the city. So that should do it. Okay, now all right. I totally didn't show it, but I pulled out roots on this sucker, and I was so involved with telling the owners what's going on. I'm trying to get them to install a clean out up front, because they continually have issues. So you can see the pipe just starts going under the ground right there. It's gonna 90 right there. So I'm gonna measure. I'm gonna put my stuff away, and then we'll measure from approximately, it's probably about in line with this. If I could only get my camera to go 64 feet, so I wouldn't be able to locate it. So I'm gonna measure, do the calculation, 1/4 inch of foot, slope per foot, and then just kind of guesstimate how deep it would be in the front. They have one bathroom. This house is 101 years old, so this likely just shoots straight out and doesn't have any bends or turns, but I don't know. But I just spent like an hour, and not an hour, like 20 minutes explaining what's going on. So, all right, let me put my stuff away and